Behaviors are what make a character animator puppet come to life. When you import artwork into Character Animator, 8 basic behaviors are automatically added to your puppet, which you can see in Rig mode by selecting the top-level character and viewing the Properties panel on the right. If you want to add more behaviors, just click the plus button and select one. You can also add behaviors to any group or layer in the puppet itself by clicking the plus in the Behaviors column. After selecting one, a behavior icon will appear and you'll see its properties on the right. So let's walk through a basic overview of all the currently available behaviors. Arm IK gives you more control over arm movements, like which direction the elbows bend in or how much stretching the arm should have. Auto Blink will automatically make your puppet blink every once in a while, based on custom parameters like duration, blinks per minute, and randomness. Breathe allows a character to simulate breathing by smoothly growing and shrinking a tagged region. Cycle layers can be added to any group to move through the group's contents in sequential order, and is commonly used to achieve frame-by-frame animated effects. Dragger lets you manipulate regions of a puppet by dragging them with a mouse or fingers on a touch-enabled device. Eye gaze determines the pupil movements for the eyes, which you can control with a webcam, mouse and touch input, or the arrow keys on your keyboard. Face controls the movement of the head, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth with your webcam. Fader will fade artwork in or out through a trigger. Handle Fixer lets you tag certain regions to stay fixed in place, like feet staying stuck on the ground. Head Turner will switch between different artwork groups as you turn your head in the webcam, giving your character up to 7 different head views. Layer Picker goes through the contents of a group similar to Cycle Layers, but gives you more control options on how to trigger and move through them, like eyebrow height or voice amplitude. Lip Sync controls a puppet's mouth with your voice, creating a talking effect. Magnets allow for different parts or puppets to connect to each other as they get close together. Motion lines can add trailing lines to automatically appear behind your actions. Motion Trigger switches between groups or layers depending on the direction things are moving in. Nutcracker Jaw controls the lower jaw of a puppet with your face or voice, and is often used as an alternative to the lip sync behavior. Particles let you emit repeated artwork instances that are affected by physics, such as snow falling in the background or a cannon blasting out chickens. Physics will allow artwork like hair to sway back and forth and be subject to gravitational forces, and allow objects to collide with each other. Transform can reposition, resize, and rotate puppets, as well as adjusting their opacity. Triggers can show or hide different artwork in a character by pressing a button, letting puppets have dynamic expressions, poses, and more to help them feel alive. Walk simulates a walking animation for your character, moving the legs and swinging the arms. And Wiggler makes the edges of Adobe Illustrator vector artwork wiggle around to create a unique look. That's a quick look at the current behaviors in Adobe Character Animator. If you'd like to learn more about any of these, check out adobe.com/go/CHhelp_behaviors for more detailed information about how to set up and customize each behavior. Thanks for watching and have fun.